Good day everybody, my name is Andre and today we are making a limoncello di crema. This is very interesting Italian liqueur which is digestive. The most important thing about this beverage is the result is always excellent. Ingredients. What do we need for making this alcohol beverage? Of course we need lemons, 10 pieces, 750 milliliters of 95% ABV of alcohol, 1.9 liter of milk, 1 kilogram of sugar and 30 grams of vanilla sugar. First of all, we need to peel lemons, and don't forget to be careful with the white part of the lemon, which is albedo. You have to avoid this white thing, otherwise final product can become more bitter. Then we put all peels of lemon into the jar and close it and save it up to 14 days. If you want to do this fast, you should be using vacuum lid, so it will be done in 5 or 7 days. Over here we have a result after 10 days with the vacuum lid. As you can see, the peels of lemon become white and you are ready to mix it with milk and sugar. Then we take soup pan and mix sugar and milk. Right now we're making syrup, so mixing until the sugar disappears. When it's done, we take our soup pan off and wait until temperature fall down. So in this situation, like right now in Siberia, it's very easy to cool down the temperature because we just can to bring it outside and wait when it's gonna be cold enough. Mix the alcohol with milk syrup. The last thing is just to pour into the bottles. It's better to store the alcohol in your freezer and no longer than 6 months. It's really important to leave some air in the bottles, so when it's gonna be getting warmer, the bottle won't blow. Drink these beverages better just right away from the freezer. That's it for today. I hope you liked this video, and don't forget to hit the bell notification, subscribe on our YouTube channel, and hit the like button. It's really important to us. Wish you good and tasty drinks. Happy distilling!